shut, but they know. Buried alive by the lies in they soul. They stride of a blind man's stroll. But for whom does the next bell toll? I'm too many years in the zone. Too many years to have built what I own. And many dumb fools try to take what I've grown. But these roots go deep and you can't put a stone. So if you wanna push, I'ma shove. If you wanna smoke, we can do it in club. And if you're gonna run at me, you better do it hard. Cause I fear no fall, no brawl, no scars. I'm 2 pounds shy of a bomb. I'm 1 shade short of alarm. I'm too past wrath that I'm calm. Got 2 last laughs in my palms. I'm 3 degrees west of a hurricane. 4-wheel drive with a ball and chain. My 5'7" is irrelevant. I'm 6'6" if you threaten my development. Now see, a wise man learns from your mistakes and lets the blunders of his brother serve to fill his plate. So best be on your way before the tidal wave breaks. Cause you don't wanna come to meet the reaper that'll wait.
Hágale de una. Fresh, la veo que están acá al frente, ¿o yo? Amarillo, ojo allá, hey, ojo allá, que le está pasando por allá.
In the case, a man with intent on his face. And if a man walks in the place, let it be known I won't hesitate. It's a long time coming like a comet pass. Got me fired up from the rocket blast. And if I fall on my sword, turn my bone to ash. Let it clog up the
Siga para chispas, gracias.
We in the title
R, yo estoy ahí dentro de la casa, ahí a su derecha, al cambio. Yo estoy ahí con Corvo.
No more than a mom you can't afford. And you don't wanna let this tongue in the lines of mine and yours. And you don't wanna piss her up, but back up and withdraw. Cause trust me when I tell you, you don't want that. And you don't wanna see inside the mind of a savage kind. And you don't want that recognition of a guy. But if you do decide that you're gonna play that hand and try, just think before you act because you're acting so bad.
Ok, viene el tanto. Ok, viene el tanto.
Poisoned by the snake in the grass. Coached by the rats out the maze. They should've known cause now it's 2 hawks in the cage. It's a tale of a cautionary kind.
Ok, viene el tanto. Ey. Ok, viene el tanto. Ahí, huevo. Oh, lo prende de marica.
Mother Nature rips apart the fall lines. And it's the type of thing that make a grown man cry. When feeble of the spine crumble underneath the grind. And blessings of the meek, blessings of the blind. When heaven shows its teeth and the planets are aligned. So amusing is the feeling as they race off. Got them using from the pressure as I chase off. Should've thought
Se vaya a levantar, ¿no? Hágale, todo bien.
Sounding like he gonna turn his bass off. It's an ace call, cut the game short. You don't wanna have an escalation of the main sword. And you don't wanna feel the flame that burns bright. Now you know the reason why the sleeping dogs lie.
carro, Puma, ojo con el carro, ojo con el carro. ¡Oh, que se vino! Está arriba.
Businessman sticking up the lame and out. They can never fool the vagrant. O's grinning from swindling stocks cold.
Ok, tanto le está más atrás, veo. Ok, el carro está acá. Se metió para acá.
Brother fighting brother, there's a rapper with the road. Be that evil, speak that evil, be that evil bold. You are not your own and love the memory of old. When nation under fraud,
¿Se volvió?
you applaud. We'll let the silver born, I won't enable or reward. We'll let the fly
Dale, por ahí, dale, por ahí, dale.
This is my spawn, new day, new dawn.
Paso, paso, hágale, hágale. Ay, gonorrea. Ay. Uy, marica, ese carro está por todos lados, weón.
Eyes wide shut, but they know they'll be the lies of the lies in they soul. They stride of a blind man's stroll. But for whom does the next bell toll? I'm too many
Ojo de
years
carro,
in
Puma.
the zone. Too many years to have built what I own. And many dumb fools try to take what I've grown. But these roots go deep and you can't let a stone. So if you wanna push, I'ma shove. If you wanna spar, we can do it, no gloves. And if you're gonna run at me, you better do it hard. Cause I fear no fall, no brawl, no scars. I'm 2 pounds shy of a bomb. I'm 1 shade short of alarm. I'm too past wrath that I'm calm. Got 2 last in my palm. I'm 3 degrees west of a hurricane. 4-wheel drive with a ball and chain. My 5'7" is man learns from your mistakes and lets the blunders of his brother serve to fill his plate. So best be on your way before the tidal wave breaks. Cause you don't wanna come to meet the reaper that awaits. You don't wanna say no more than a mom you can't afford. And you don't wanna let this turn in the lines of mine and yours. And you don't wanna press your luck with a back up and withdraw. Cause trust me when I tell you, you don't want that tooth and claw. And you don't wanna see inside the mind of savage times. And you don't want that recognition of, oh, there goes that guy. But if you do decide that you're gonna play that hand and try, just think before you act because your actions go around. A man with a grudge and a case. A man with intent on his face. And if a man walks in a place, let it be known I won't hesitate. This a long time coming like a comet pass. Got them all fired up from the rocket blast. And if I fall on my sword, turn my bone to ash. Let it clog up the sand in that hourglass. We in the title fight, blow for a blow. And you can reap the benefit of what I have to sow.
Anubis copia, cambio.